My name is Biraju. Today subject complex analysis and special functions. Today topic is semi-continuity of complex fuzzy functions. Um, Introduction to complex fuzzy functions. Complex fuzzy functions extend traditional fuzzy functions by incorporating complex numbers. These functions are treated for modeling uncertainty in various applications. Uh, Understanding their properties such as semi-continuity is essential for future advancement in fusing logic. The diagram of introduction to complex fuzzy function. Membership function of fuzzy logic. Fuzzy value gives young, middle, old. The fuzzy value have associated degrees of membership in the set. Understanding semi-continuity. The semi-continuity refers to a type of continuity that allows for certain discontinuities in functions. Functions, there are two primary types: lower semi-continuity and upper semi-continuity. Each type has its own implications for the behavior of functions, especially in fuzzy constants. The figure of understanding semi-continuity, the types of discontinuities, and first one, reliable discontinuity beyond jump discontinuity, and the third one is infinity discontinuity with mutable code. The importance of semi-continuity. The semi-continuity is vital, vital for ensuring the stability of solutions in problems. It helps in chop is characterizing the the convergence of complex fuzzy function. This property is particularly relevant in fields like the control theory and design making. And the importance of semiconductors, the figure, the mathematically de- definition of semi-continuity. A function is lower semi-continuous if it does not jump upward at any point. The conversely, uh, a function is upper semi-continuous if uh, it does not jump downward at any point. Uh, these definitions are related to the constant of complex fuzzy function. The definition of continuity at a point. If function is continuous at a point x is equals to c, if the following three conditions are met: f of c, first one, f of c is defined, limit of f of x exists, and third one, limit f of x is equals to f of c. The determine which of the coordinations is evaluated in the example of discontinuity. Example of complex Fuzzy functions. The complex Fuzzy functions can be defined in many ways, including the including the including the thought membership functions in and an example includes functions that map complex number to Fuzzy set. This example illustrate the and applicable applicability of complex Fuzzy constant. Example of complex Fuzzy function. The complex function v is equals to f of z, z is equals to complex number, z is equals to f of x I y, f I is equals to root minus 1. Real part, imaginary part. Example, w is equals to f of z is equals to f z square plus z is equals to f of x plus I y I of square y square plus 4 is equals f is equals to x square plus f of I y square plus 2x f of I y plus 4 is equals to x square minus y square plus 4 plus I to xy. Real part, imagining part. Real part u is equals to u f of xy x comma y. U imaginary part v is equals to v f of x comma y. V w is equals to f of z is equals to u plus iv is equals to u f of x comma y plus iv. Lower semi continuity in complex Fuzzy function. Fuzzy functions lower semi continuity that the limit information of the function is generated that are equal to the function's value of a point. There is a properties is essential of analyzing the lower bounds of complex Fuzzy functions. Applications include robots, optimization and modeling uncertainties in engineering. The graph of the example of lower semi continuity in complex Fuzzy function. The continuity of a function using the definition of continuity determining whether the function f of x is equals to if x minus 1 by x to x square minus x minus 1 is continuous or not. First point at c is equals to 0, second point c at c is equals to 1. The upper semi continuity is complex Fuzzy function. Upper semi continuity that the limit surprise of the function is lies then are equal to the function's value at a point. This is critical of establishing of upper bounds in various application involving Fuzzy function. The application of semi-continuity. The semi-continuity has numerous applications in control system and design making. Understanding the semi-conductivity can the effect of algorithms that lay of complex Fuzzy functions. The challenges in establishing semi-continuity. Establishing semi-continuity in complex Fuzzy functions can be challenging due to their inherent complexity. The difficulties often have from the interaction of complex numbers with the fuzzy logic principle. The ongoing researching to address their challenges through new methodological. The researching direction. The future researching may explore number the new topic of fuzzy functions and the number continuity properties. The in the infinity the relationship between semi-continuity and other properties of fuzzy function is crucial. The research are also focusing on computational methods to analyze the semi-continuity of uh, continuity in practice. What is the comparison with the traditional continuity? The comparing semi-continuity with the traditional continuity reveals significant difference in behavior. The continuity requires unformed under the limit will semi-continuity allows from same. The conclusion the semi-continuity is virtual properties in the study of complex fuzzy function. It's completing for so friends feel free and adjust the constant of following to its. Thank you.